I am sure everyone desire more money, and I am one of them. I want more money. I don't know about you, but I just believe that everyone desire more money, and it won't be out of place if you receive serious alert in your bank account. You are receiving alert unexpectedly from your bank account. This is something that gladdens everyone, irrespective of the status and position that you are presently. Because I'm going to be discussing with you something that can load your bank account with a lot of money. And the good thing about it is that it's money that you'll be very happy with. You are welcome back to our channel. This video is going to be talking about how you receive a surprise alert in your bank account, and I'm going to be calling this the miracle recipe. The miracle recipe, because it's something that you're not going to be doing something extraordinary, but it's something that when you do it, it works like magic. It's a miracle. That's why I title it the miracle recipe, because it's going to be a miracle. You are going to be receiving a lot of money in your bank account, and you will even be surprised yourself. So, what are the ingredients we are going to be using? We are going to be using simple ingredients. Simple ingredients. We are going to be needing egg, one egg, chicken egg, one is what we are going to be using. Then you are going to be needing salt, just little salt. And the third thing you are going to be needing is red palm oil. Red palm oil. Or if you don't have red palm oil, then you can get olive oil or the vegetable oil. Those are the three things you are going to be needing. Now, how do you prepare this? You are going to be boiling the egg. You boil the egg, you cook it, you cook the egg. When it is done, you allow it to cool. Then you peel off the shell from the egg. The next thing, after peeling off the shell, is you now cut the egg into two. You don't cut it in the middle, you cut it straight. As if the egg is straight like this, you have to cut it into two, like this, into two different parts. That's what you do. You cut it into two parts, put it in the plate. Just look for a plate. It can be a disposable plate. It can be any plate that you know that you can forfeit, because you are going to be using this in a way that you won't need to take the plate again. So you put it in a plate, then pour little palm oil or vegetable oil or olive oil. Just pour beside and put salt. Put salt. Mix the salt and the oil together. Then just put the egg as if you are ready to eat. As if you are ready to eat it. Then you have to pray into it. You have to pray into it. And you know the spiritual implication of egg. Egg is used in spirituality because it means rebirth. It means rebirth. It means a new being. It means a new being. So you are going to become a new being, because now you become a money magnet. Money will be coming. And if you now take this, after preparing like this, you have to take it. You take it outside your home. Don't put it in the house. Go and put it somewhere where ants and insects can infect on it, can visit it. The more ants, the more insects, the better, because this is going to be attracting good luck to you. It's going to be attracting money to you, just like ants and insects visit as they are visiting this, so also you'll be seeing the money in drops. The money will be coming to you. This is very good. Don't be in the habit of saying it is not true, it cannot work. You cannot say something is not working when you did not try. You have to try it. But this one, I'm giving it to you. It is now left for you to try it, because it's something I have given to others. I've given to people, and most of these things I do it on my own. Before I give you anything, know that I've tried it. If it's not working, I won't give it to people. That's one thing with me. So just do it. It's a very simple thing. Like I said, you have to go and put it outside your home, not inside the home. You have to put it outside. You have to look, if you are in a place where you still have bushes or plants or something, just put it very cool. Just put it like that casually, and you see ants going to eat. But don't put it in a place that dogs will go there and just eat it off. Put it in a place that it is a little bit hidden, but it's not in your home where the ants and insects can go and infest it. You've done your part. Then nature, the universe will do its part. Your own is that you'll be waiting for alert, to receive alert in your account, and good things will be attracted, will be looking for you. They will find you. Good things will find you. Money will find you. Open doors. You see how your life is going to transform. And this is very good, especially when you need good things. You need money. You need to do some things. That is when you apply this recipe. If you enjoyed this one, this is the video YouTube suggests that you watch next. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent. And if you have not subscribed, because this next video you are going to watch, the next video I'm going to do is going to be teaching you how to make money effortlessly. So subscribe, like this video, share it, then leave your comment below. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent. And don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.